Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the show. Today we're gonna look at the Aquaracer from TAG Heuer. Very loved and beloved watch brand and watch community. And for some strange reason, people are avoiding TAG Heuer. This is a fantastic quality watch for the money, especially if you're buying it on the used market. You are getting a lot of bang for your buck. So I reviewed Aquaracer without the ceramic bezel insert, and this is like a facelift. This is a facelift with the ceramic bezel insert. So if you ask me, it's basically the same watch. They only added ceramic because I need to have a ceramic now, man. Do you need to have a ceramic bezel insert or aluminum bezel insert or whatever? But you have to admit, ceramic is shiny. So on a bling scale, it adds from 8 till 9. It brings up the level of blinginess. And it's usually those people who are complaining they only like dual watches because they don't like dressy, shiny watches, but gotta have a ceramic bezel insert. Anyways, watch looks great. It even looks better on camera than in real life, if you ask me, because or I'm very impressionable, or I have a very fancy camera. No, I do not. This is a phone camera, and yeah. So the ceramic insert, which is angly. It's not round ceramic insert. I just noticed that half an hour ago. It has angles, and speaking of bezel, it's not that easy to grip like a bezel on a Submariner or like a bezel on a Seiko, but it works. It works, and yeah, great watch. Sapphire crystal, of course, beautiful dial. I love dials on these Aquaracers. That's caliber 5 automatic, and we all know that's a variation of ETA slash Celita movement. So that's a caliber 5 automatic. It's 300-meter water resistant, has a beautiful logo, has a weird cyclops. This cyclops is a bit weird to the eyes. If you're used to 2.5 magnification, well, this one's a bit more, and it's kind of weird, but you catch up. You get used to it pretty quickly. It has some yellow details, yellow tip second hand. Loam is great on this one. And then I have a great setup here. I don't want to move it and show you the loam photos, but you just gotta have to trust me. Loam is good on this one. It has a screw down crown and TAG Heuer shield here, and the bracelet is also good quality. This watch is well worn and well used, works great, and the bracelet is angly. The clasp is great quality. You people say Longines, I don't think Longines is better than TAG Heuer, and even if you disregard the history and everything, just a little things like this bracelet buckle and stuff, and of course, if you don't know what's good, you know what's expensive. So TAG Heuer is more expensive than Longines, and that should be your clue for it. So on the case back, we have here this diving helmet. Solid case back, I like that, and this is the reference number WAY201A, WAY201A, and this is the reference numbers for this specific watch. If you are wondering, of course, I'm gonna put that in the title of the video so you can check it out. But great watch, great value for money, and just to my humble experience, I worn exact same watch like this, only with the aluminum insert, not ceramic one. and 4 years, and it never skipped a beat. It always works great. Great looker. It got me lots of compliments actually, and this one should give you more compliments because it's black and shiny, and it was from the ladies. So yeah, great buy on the used market. Depends on the prices, but these should be under 2K. This should be under 2K, and I would not pay over 2K. The less you pay, the better. You got a better watch. And should I buy used Aquaracer or brand new Longines Hydro Conquest? Well, I would always go for the Aquaracer. And yeah, if you don't know what's better, you know what's more expensive. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm ADC Connor, and see you on the next one.